Now, next thing I want to show you is how to do a spell check. So if you go to any piece of writing you've got, there may be things like here, you've got programs it's not liking for whatever reason. Now, in this case, that's actually the right spelling, but you may be given something from somebody else who can't spell very well or has made some mistakes where you may want to check the spelling and grammar. So to do that, you can go to Review and you can go to Spellcheck. Okay, so you've got top left, you've got Check Document. So click that, or you can press F7. And it goes through, so I'm going to ignore the United States ones, we'll look at the English ones. So I've got 3 grammar errors apparently, so it isn't like recruit, so it wants recruits to have the apostrophe on there. So I might accept that, or I might want to ignore it, so I could ignore it. In recent years, again, may want a comma, so I can just click that and put a comma. And a comma in there makes sense as well. So that's gone through and spell checked the document. What you also might have is a spelling error that you want to quickly correct. So I might spell something wrong, so I might put skull instead of school for whatever reason. It highlights that, I can right click that and I can choose spelling, and then there's more options that you can choose as well. But there's school, so I click school. Or what I might want to do is say that is the spelling I want, I may want to add it to the dictionary, which means in future it won't correct you for that. Now, one thing you may want to do as well is you may want to find a very specific piece of text in your document. So to do that, what we can do is we can click Control and F on your keyboard and you get navigation, so I can find something. So I might want to find the word education. So type education, press enter, and it will find every time I've used the word education. Now, what I might realise is, you know what, I shouldn't have said education. It's actually about a professional system, which doesn't make too much sense, but you get what I mean. Click here and click replace. What we can do is replace the word education with professional. Click replace all. Made 5 replacements, and you can see now those leaving the professional system often lack the skills and so on, so it's replaced all those pieces of text, which is really useful in the future for if you want to say there's a name that you've spelt wrong, or maybe there's a name that is invalid now. So maybe it might be that a previous teacher might have had their name and everything, and you want to change it to your name, maybe because you're stealing the work, which isn't a good thing to do. But you can just quickly Control F and replace various things that you want to change in bulk, which saves you a lot of time instead of going through and individually changing things. Hopefully you found that useful, and if you want to see some more word skills, please look at the rest of the videos in the series. I'll see you in the next one.